7 principles that will make teenagers become millionaires. In a world where financial success seems reserved for those with years of experience, a determined group of individuals is challenging the norm. Teenagers armed with ambition and a fresh perspective are stepping onto the path of becoming billionaires. The journey might seem audacious, but by adopting 7 key principles, these young go-getters can rewrite the script of the financial future. The teenage trailblazers of wealth creation. Imagine the astounding sight of teenagers driving their own Lamborghinis and making headlines, launching groundbreaking startups. It's not a far-fetched fantasy, but a possibility these young trailblazers are actively pursuing. With a combination of modern tools, unbridled enthusiasm, and the right principles, they are poised to reshape the way we perceive financial success. Principle 1. Vision before division. Every journey begins with a vision. Teenagers aiming for millionaires status needs to envision their future selves as successful entrepreneurs, investors, or innovators. This vision acts as a guiding light, steering them through the challenges that lie ahead. Principle 2. Knowledge as the ultimate currency. In the digital age, knowledge is more accessible than ever. Savvy teenagers harness this power by continually educating themselves. They read voraciously, tap into online courses, and seek mentorship from those who have already walked the path of financial success. Principle 3. Risk-taking with calculated steps. Becoming a millionaire rarely involves playing it safe. Teenagers must learn to embrace calculated risks. This means making informed decisions, understanding potential downsides, and being prepared to pivot where necessary. Risk-taking becomes less daunting when armed with knowledge. Principle 4. The art of resilience. Setbacks are inevitable, but they don't define one's trajectory. Teenagers on the road to riches develop a resilient mindset. They view failures as learning opportunities, using them to refine their strategies and push harder towards their goals. Principle 5. From consumer to creator. Teenagers often form a significant consumer demographic. However, those destined for wealth focus on shifting from being more consumers to creators. They harness their passions, talents, and creativity to build products, services, and content that add value to others' life. Principle 6. Network to net worth. The power of networking cannot be underestimated. Teenagers aiming for millionaire status recognize that their network can significantly impact their net worth. They attend seminars, join industry groups, and establish connections that can open doors to partnerships, investments, and valuable advice. Principle 7. Consistency trumps overnight success. When viral stories of overnight success abound, teenagers with a true millionaire mindset understand that consistent effort is the real key. They diligently work on their goals every day, even when immediate results are not evident. This commitment to consistency sets them apart on their journey. A new era of achievement. In a world where age is no longer a barrier to success, teenagers are rewriting the rules of financial achievement. These 7 principles envisioning success, seeking knowledge, taking calculated risk, embracing resilience, creating value, networking effectively, and maintaining unwavering consistency are guiding lights on their path. As we witness the rise of young millionaires, it's clear that the future of wealth creation is being shaped by the fearless determination of these teenage trailblazers. So who's to say that your average teenager can't become a millionaire? With the right principles and unshakable dedication, the possibilities are limitless.